boys and girls, it's Miss Tiffany. I am so glad you're joining me for this week's Curbside Craft. It's all about Earth Day, which was last week, April 22nd. This Friday is actually another special day called Arbor Day, in which we celebrate all the wonderful trees we have and what they do for us. In this week's Curbside Craft, we're going to focus on reducing, reusing, and recycling, because those are some of the 3 R's we talk about when we talk about Earth Day, which really is every day. In your kit, you're going to get some sticker scenes, so you can make a nice scene with bugs and flowers, all the beautiful things that make our Earth special. You're going to get a reusable tote bag and some markers to decorate it with. And that's helpful because when you go to the store, you can bring your own bag now, and you don't have to keep using plastic bags or paper bags. You will also use those markers to color your very own flower pot. And you're going to get some seeds inside of your kit, so they'll look like this. And these seeds are actually garden beans. So you have some directions on the back of your instruction sheet how to plant these garden beans. And I picked these beans because they're perfect for container gardens. So even if you don't have a big backyard or a place to put a garden in the ground, you can keep these seeds, let them sprout in your little pot, and then when they get bigger, you can replant them into a pot, and you can actually grow green beans inside of a pot. And why would that be good for Earth Day? Right? When we make our own food in our gardens, we're doing something for us, and we're also avoiding fruits and vegetables being shipped from far away. If you don't have a garden or you don't have a green thumb, you can also get stuff locally from local farms around Long Island, and there's farm stands. There's lots of ways to do that. You can also think about recycling and how we save things, right? At home, I recycle my plastic and my paper, and your grown-ups probably do that too. You put it in a container, and you put it out on the curb on a certain Wednesday, and they come and pick it up, and they recycle it for us at the town of Brookhaven. But you can also reuse things instead of recycling them. Sometimes I'll take coffee cans and I'll use them to hold my crayons and my markers. Or toilet paper tubes. Toilet paper tubes are very fun to reuse because you can make lots of things out of them. All sorts of crafts. Maybe you can make some binoculars, and you can pretend you're on a safari. You can use these for planters. If you cut them in half, you can actually use these to start some seeds in. There's a lot of really creative things you can do by reusing things, right? And reducing, that's our other R. We can reduce our use of, let's say, electricity, right? Every time you leave a room and you turn that light switch off, that's helping. That's using less energy. You can open your windows, get the sunlight in instead of using electricity. Like here at the library, we have special windows that allow light to come in, and our lights dim if there's more light coming into the windows, so that saves electricity. I hope that you will think of some really great things to do for the earth each and every day. And if you need some help, we have a lot of books here at the Longwood Public Library that can teach you about things you can do to help the earth. There's some books behind me, and this one is 365 Ways to Live Green for Kids. It has a lot of ideas how you can make Earth Day special and do your part. So stay tuned for some more Earth Day facts. Earth Day by Rachel Grack. Families bike and enjoy nature. People clean up trash in neighborhoods. They plant trees in parks. It is Earth Day. Earth Day is a holiday about caring for the environment. People help keep the air, land, and water clean. They do things that are green. And here on this page you can see the 3 R's we talked about earlier: reduce, reuse, recycle. Earth Day started in the United States. Today, people all over the world celebrate this holiday. They honor the planet and make the environment cleaner. Before 1970, there were very few laws about pollution. Factories dumped waste into rivers and lakes. They filled the air with harmful smoke. Endangered animals were not protected. Many Americans wanted people to care about nature. They held the first Earth Day on April 22, 1970. It was a success. The day helped to pass laws that protect the environment. Most countries have Earth Day every April 22nd. Other countries celebrate on the first day of spring. Some communities do green activities all week. Earth Day reminds people to save water and electricity. People donate or reuse old items. They also teach others how to recycle. People take action on Earth Day. They pick up roadside trash. Some people walk instead of drive. Others plant gardens and trees. Many groups raise money to save wildlife. Families learn about nature at special events. People around the world protect the environment on Earth Day. At the back of this book, there's more books that you can read to learn more about Earth Day and also some websites.